Good morning everyone, my name is Lalit Soni and today in this episode of News on Map India segment, we will be discussing about few more locations which would be important for your examination. So let's start with the practice question which was given in the last episode. So basically the question was, what will be the order of hills of Western Ghat from north to south? Okay, these are your hills: Cardamom Hills, Annamalai Hills, Nilgiri Hills. These all hills are part of your Western Ghat. So let's see the map. So when we talk about the Western Ghat, these are the basically your hills. Nilgiri is situated such that it joins Eastern and the Western Ghats. Okay, and then there is Annamalai in the south of Nilgiri, and then there is Cardamom Hills in the south of Annamalai Hills. Okay, so when we talk about the order of these hills, first would be Nilgiri, and then Annamalai, and then Cardamom Hills. Coming back to the question, so first would be 3 Nilgiri, then Annamalai, and then Cardamom Hills. So 3 to 1 would be your right answer, that is in option D. Let's move ahead. So let's start with the question number 1 of this episode. Recently, the Strategic Petroleum Reserve Program was mentioned in parliamentary discussions. Consider the following pairs. These are the reserve and the state correspond to that are given: Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh; Mangaluru, Karnataka; Padur, Kerala; Chandikhol, Odisha. You have to select the correctly matched pair. So when we talk about these strategic petroleum reserves, these are basically reserves which are to be used in emergency. Suppose there is a supply crisis of crude oil. So you cannot be dependent, or you cannot hold the industrial process or any other process which is dependent on the crude oil. So you would have to have a reserve in your country. So basically International Energy Agency recommend a reserve of around 90 days at least. But right now India have around 9.5 days. We are work in progress, we are building it. So basically there are 3 existing reserves. One is at Padur, second is at Mangalore, these both are in Karnataka. Then another is at Visakhapatnam, that is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Other than that, there are 2 other projects in the pipeline which are to be built. Another one is in Padur, and then one is in Chandikhol, Odisha. Okay. So right now we have a capacity of around 5.33 metric million tons of crude oil, and we are trying to enhance it. So coming back to the question, so you can match that. Visakhapatnam is in Andhra Pradesh, Mangaluru in Karnataka, this is correct. This Padur reserve is in Karnataka and not in Kerala. So basically third is incorrect, and then Chandikhol, it is in Odisha, it is correct. So basically except 3, 1, 2 and 4 are correct. You can choose your option. This is option B. So correct answer would be option B. So let's move ahead to the second question. So names such as Mukundra Hills Tiger Reserve have been in news with respect to Project Cheetah. You have heard that there are some cheetahs which are being dying in Kuno National Park in MP. With respect to that, cheetahs are in Project Cheetah and cheetahs are in kind of news. So coming back to the Mukundra Hills Tiger Reserve, consider the following statement. It is located in Madhya Pradesh. It provides the corridor connectivity. Corridor connectivity basically means that there are patches of forest which kind of make it easy for animals to move from one reserve to another, okay, or one protected area to another. So it provides a corridor connectivity to Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, which is in Rajasthan. Okay, these are the options. So let's see the location of these particular reserves. So when we talk about Mukundra Hills Tiger Reserve, it is in news because recently an expert committee from Africa has suggested that those cheetahs which were being relocated from Africa to Kuno can be relocated to this particular area as well. Okay, as they are dying in Kuno, so they can be relocated. But till now the decision is pending. It was just a suggestion. Okay, so here you can see that this is your Mukundra Hills Tiger Reserve. Okay, this is in Rajasthan and not in Madhya Pradesh. So these yellow part are the forest. You can see there are patches of forest which connects to the Ranthambore National Park. This is also in Rajasthan. So here you can see there are patches. So you can say there is a corridor connectivity. Okay, and then there is this Keladev Bird Sanctuary. You can remember for your prelims. So now the point is Mukundra Hills Tiger Reserve is in Rajasthan. Okay, and then there is a corridor connectivity to Ranthambore. So let's see some other tiger reserve in Rajasthan. There are 4 tiger reserves. One is Sariska. This is in Alwar. There is Ranthambore Tiger Reserve in Savai Madhopur. Then Mukundra Hills in Kota. And then this is Ramgarh Vishdari Wildlife Sanctuary in Bundi. This is the recent one. So this would be important. Coming back to the question. So it is located in Madhya Pradesh. I have told you that this is in Rajasthan and not Madhya Pradesh. So your statement 1 would be incorrect. Coming back to the second statement, it provides corridor connectivity to Ranthambore. We have seen that there are forest patches which connect it to Ranthambore. So statement 2 is correct. Answer would be B, only 2. Okay. Let's move ahead to the question number 3. To prevent recent flood-like incidents caused by Yamuna, you have noticed in the news that Yamuna has been, above the danger mark. Okay, and then there was flood-like situations in North India, like in Delhi as well. So to prevent the recent flood-like incidents in Yamuna in future, a dam is proposed upstream from Hathni Kund Barrage. Okay, consider the following statement. Hathni Kund Barrage is located in Haryana. Kalesar National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary is in vicinity of this particular barrage. Okay, these are the options. So let's see the map. Here you can see this is your map of Haryana, and in the north east of Haryana, here this is Yamunanagar. This is the only district through which Yamuna river passes in Haryana. Okay, from the name you can tell that it is Yamunanagar. So this is the only district from which Yamuna passes in Haryana. So here you can see this is your Yamuna and this is your Hathni Kund Barrage. Okay, and here this is Kalesar, which is in the vicinity of Hathni Kund. So these are the locations which were asked in the question. Here you can see this is Kalesar National Park in Yamunanagar, Haryana. Okay, so coming back to the statements, Hathni Kund Barrage is located in Haryana. This statement is correct. We have seen that. Kalesar National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary is in vicinity of Hathni Kund Barrage. This statement is also correct. The point to take from here is Kalesar National Park is in Haryana. Okay, and then Hathni Kund Barrage is also in Haryana. So these both the statement are true. Right options would be both 1 and 2. Answer would be C. So question number 4. IIT scientist unearthed remains of ancient long-necked Indian dinosaur. Recently, this thrilling expedition took place in. So basically, IIT scientist has excavated remains of these dinosaur. So question is asking where this incident took place. Rajmahal escarpment, Thar of Jaisalmer, caves of Jayantia Hills, somewhere else in Deccan Traps. So let's see. So here you can see the picture. This is a rendition or a recreation kind of imagination. How would that particular species would look like? Okay, and then here you can see that this is taken from the Thar Desert in Jaisalmer. So basically, there is this Thar Desert in Rajasthan, Western Rajasthan, and this particular incident took place in Jaisalmer. Okay, and there are other features you can see here. In our question, there is a mention of Deccan Traps. These particular Deccan Plateaus and Deccan Traps are kind of synonymous. And then there is Garo, Khasi and Jayantia. There is one more hill here somewhere in Meghalaya. This is part of Meghalaya Plateau. So basically, Jayantia Hills is located in Meghalaya here. Okay. Then we have also mention of Rajmahal Hills. So here you can see this Chota Nagpur Plateau. In the east of Chota Nagpur Plateau, there is this escarpment. Escarpment is nothing but basically steep hill. Like mostly you have seen hills like this, mostly like this and then this, okay. But sometimes what happens that it form a cliff, steep cliff, okay. So such cliffs are called escarpments. So basically we have one escarpment here that is called Raj Mahal Hills or Raj Mahal escarpment, okay. So let's move ahead. Coming back to the question, where this particular thing took place is in Thar of Jaisalmer. So option B would be your answer. So moving ahead to the question number 5, consider the following statement. Arunachal Pradesh has border with Nepal, China, Bhutan and Myanmar. Dafla Hills, Patkai Bom Hills and Abor Hills are situated in Arunachal Pradesh. Why we took this particular question? Because recently China has given the stippled visa to athletes from Jammu and Kashmir. So basically these are athletes from India, but they have provided with this stapled visa. So what is this stapled visa? So basically what happens that because of some territorial claims which China put that this part of Arunachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir, they have some territory which is part of China. These are the claims of China. China keeps putting such ridiculous claims forward again and again. So since these are part of China, why should a person who is living in this particular part need a visa to visit China? Okay, because they think that these are the part of their own territory. So when someone from this particular area goes to China, what they do is they don't stamp on the passport, but they kind of use an extra pamphlet, seal it up and then patch it here. They staple it on the passport, and then when they are going back to the territory, they basically remove this. So there is no record of such movement. Okay, so China does this. This particular thing is called a stapled visa. Okay, this is because of the territorial claims. So recently it happened with the athletes of Jammu and Kashmir, and this also happens in Arunachal Pradesh. So here we can see the map of Arunachal Pradesh. This forms part of northeast region of India. Okay, this is part of Seven Sisters, and then here you can see that it forms an international boundary with Bhutan, Myanmar and China. Okay, and then the states, a domestic state boundary with Assam and here Nagaland. Okay, so let's move ahead to the next map. When we talk about the hills in this region, you can see Dafla Hills, Miri Hills, Abor Hills, Mishtami Hills, Patkai Bom are part of Arunachal Pradesh. Some part of Patkai Bom is in Nagaland also. Then when we talk about this Meghalaya plateau, there are Garo Hills, Khasi Hills, Jaintia Hills, which we have discussed in the previous question as well. So these are Mizo Hills, these are Lusai Hills. This has been used for another reasons. So these are the location of hills of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, coming back to the question. Arunachal Pradesh has boundary with Nepal, China, Bhutan and Myanmar. We have seen that it has boundary with China, Bhutan, Myanmar and not with Nepal. Okay, so statement 1 is incorrect. Dafla Hills, Patkai Bom Hills and Abor Hills are situated in Arunachal Pradesh. This statement is correct. So the answer would be only 2. Moving ahead. Before finishing this particular session, let's look at the practice question. Debrigad Wildlife Sanctuary, not Dibrugarh, Debrigad, has been recently made completely free from any human settlement. Okay, so this protected area has been made free from human settlement. It is situated in, options are Assam, Odisha, Jharkhand and Bihar. So you have to answer this question in the comment box. So that's all for this episode. We will see you in the next episode. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.